Like they say, women lead the way, and this holds true for the Indian Olympic contingent at the Paris Games as well. India's shooting superstar Manu Bhaker has now made a remarkable comeback at the Paris Olympics, winning a bronze medal in the women's 10-meter air pistol event, thus opening India's medal tally. What makes this achievement even more particularly significant is this comes after her disappointing experience at the Tokyo Olympics, where a pistol malfunction had derailed her chances during the qualification. It must have been very difficult. The ghosts of Tokyo must have been at the back of her mind, but she's overcome all of that. And at the Paris Games, the 22-year-old shooter has demonstrated exceptional skill and composure to win a bronze medal for India. This victory not only makes her the first Indian woman shooter to win an Olympic medal, but also marks India's first shooting medal since London 2012.
Manu has opened the medal tally for India by winning a bronze medal in the Olympics. We have the family with us who are rejoicing. They are happy. And not only the family, but the people who are residing near Manu's house are also happy. They have all come to congratulate the family. Let's talk to the father, sir. बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं. पहला मेडल भारत के लिए और मनु ने ब्रॉन्ज जीतकर एक बार फिर देश को गौरवान्वित किया है. क्या कहेंगे आप?
जी मैं बहुत खुश हूँ कि मनु ने शुरुआत की है और पूरा इंडियन कंटिजेंट 117 खिलाड़ियों का है और भी खिलाड़ी बहुत अच्छा करने की उसमें हैं और मनु ने शुरुआत कर दी तो मुझे लगता है कि सारे खिलाड़ी को एक जोश आ गया कि हम कर सकते हैं एंड दे विल डू इट.
आपने मैच देखा, आपको कैसा फील हो रहा था उसको?
नहीं, मैंने मैच नहीं देखा.
आपने मैच नहीं देखा, कोई खास वजह उसकी? आप बस रिजल्ट
जनरली इसकी मम्मी मैच नहीं देखती तो वो नहीं देखती है तो मैं भी उसके क्योंकि हम
लोग प्रे कर रहे थे, विश कर रहे थे कि मनु अच्छा करेगा.
ये ऐसा तो कुछ नहीं था बट मनु की मम्मी मैच नहीं देख रही थी तो मैं उसको अच्छा नहीं लगता कि मैं मैच देखूं तो वो नहीं.
बधाइयों का तांता लगा हुआ है. मैं देख रही हूँ आपके कॉल्स, लगातार कॉल्स आ रहे हैं. आप
जी ये तो देश के लिए बहुत बड़ी बात है. देश के लिए मेडल है. ओलंपिक में पहुंचना भी काफी मुश्किल होता है और बच्ची ने कर दिखाया कि एक मेडल जीत के दिखाया कि वो मैं उसके लिए देखिए सारा देशवासियों को प्यार और आशीर्वाद दिया.
कुछ और उम्मीदें हैं? अभी इवेंट्स बाकी हैं. कैसे क्या आप कह रहे हैं? आप विश करना चाहेंगे मनु को?
नहीं अभी दो इवेंट बाकी है मनु के और पूरे देशवासियों के भी बहुत सारे इवेंट बाकी है. तो दूसरा ही दिन है तो हमें पता है कि बहुत अच्छा होगा. हमें उम्मीद है बहुत अच्छा होने वाला.
हमारे साथ कुछ और लोग हैं जो यहाँ रहते हैं. ऑल ऑफ देम आर सो हैप्पी एंड दे हैव कम टू कांग्रेचुलेट मनु एंड द फैमिली. लेट्स टॉक टू देम. सर, हाउ आर यू फीलिंग? मनु हैज नाउ ओपनड द टैली फॉर इंडिया.
I am Suresh Upadhyay, President of the society, and rest our RW members are here. We are very much excited and हमें बहुत नाज है अपने मनु भाकर के ऊपर कि उन्होंने हमारे सोसाइटी का, हमारे देश का नाम रोशन किया है.
सर, आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
हम सिर्फ कांग्रेचुलेट करना चाहेंगे उसको, मनु को, कि उसने हमारी सोसाइटी का, फरीदाबाद का, इस देश का नाम रोशन किया. और हम ये भी चाहेंगे कि जो बाकी के 2 इवेंट्स हैं, 2 मैचेस अभी हैं, उनमें वो गोल्ड मेडल लेके आए.
कांग्रेचुलेशन करना चाहेंगे मनु भाकर को और मुझे उम्मीद था कि वो मेडल तो लेके आएगी और हम लोग बहुत प्लानिंग भी किए थे. हमने अपना थिएटर में पूरा.
अब आप कैसे सेलिब्रेट करेंगे जब
अभी हम बहुत ढोल बजा जो भी नाचेंगे गाएंगे, बहुत एंजॉय करेंगे.
सर, आप कुछ कहना चाहेंगे?
बहुत ग्रैंड सेलिब्रेशन होगा मैम. हम लोग मनु के लिए बहुत प्राउड फील कर रहे हैं और ये पूरे इंडिया की प्रोग्रेस दिखाती है, एटलीस्ट इन थॉट.
ब्रॉन्ज मेडल जीता है. अब नेक्स्ट उसकी क्या उम्मीद कर रहे हैं? नेक्स्ट मेडल रहेगा?
मेरी मनु से कभी कोई उम्मीद नहीं रही. बस मेरा ये रहता कि मेरी बेटी जहाँ जाए ना वहाँ से खुश होके घर आए. बस मेरी बेटी का दिल ना टूटे.
कैसा महसूस कर रहे हैं?
महसूस जैसा मैं हमेशा इससे ही करती आ रही वैसा ही महसूस कर रही हूँ. डॉक्टर बन पाऊंगी. मैंने कहा फिर तो अच्छी डॉक्टर बनेगी तो फिर तो डॉक्टर ही बन जाए. मेरे को भी जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी डॉक्टर के पास जाने की. मेरे घर में एक डॉक्टर रहेगा. इसलिए ये था मेरा मनु को.
आज ब्रॉन्ज मेडल जीता है. अब नेक्स्ट उसकी क्या उम्मीद कर रहे हैं? नेक्स्ट मेडल रहेगा?
मेरी मनु से कभी कोई उम्मीद नहीं रही. बस मेरा ये रहता कि मेरी बेटी जहाँ जाए ना वहाँ से खुश होके घर आए. बस मेरी बेटी का दिल ना टूटे.
कैसा महसूस कर रहे हैं?
महसूस जैसा मैं हमेशा इससे ही करती आ रही वैसा ही महसूस कर रही हूँ. स्केटिंग भी किया, जूडो कराटे भी किया, हॉर्स राइडिंग भी करी. मनु एक्चुअली जिस हाउस में रहती, जैसे 4 हाउस होते हैं, तो स्कूल में पढ़ती थी 4 हाउस, तो जिस हाउस में मनु होती थी ना, तो 3 हाउस वाले डर जाते थे कि मनु जिस हाउस में होगी ना, वही हाउस सारे मेडल ट्रॉफी जीत के लेके जाएगा। तो बच्चे बोलते थे कि मैं मनु का हमारे हाउस में कर दो, हमारे हाउस में कर दो। अब मनु एक, मैं किसके को क्या कर दूं? मैंने कहा भाई अभी मैं क्या ही
बस बीड़ी में थोड़ी सी दूर करना भी आईडी।
काटी थोड़ा कैमरा नीचे, थोड़ा साइड हो जाओ,
थोड़ा सा एक बार और खिलाओ मिठाई। गुड, एक बार और
इनको तो खिला दो, आप लोगों को खिलाऊंगा। मैंने खा लिया। मीनाक्षी सालू आ जाओ, एक बार जल्दी आ जाओ, आ जाओ,
आ जाओ बेटा, आ जाओ, दोनों आ जाओ, दोनों
मैडम प्लीज थोड़ा
आ जाओ
मैडम प्लीज।
Well, incredible scenes there coming in from Faridabad in Haryana. Family members of Manu Bhaker there celebrating, distributing sweets as well. And of course, they're already now planning a big celebration when she arrives back home in Haryana. These are the family members who also saw her upset go through her worst time as an athlete, of course, after the Tokyo heartbreak. Remember, she was, of course, one of the top medal contenders there as well. But a last minute malfunction in her pistol derailed her entire Olympics dream, and she has had to wait for almost 4 years now to relive that dream, to go out there once again, try to get a medal for India, and she's done that, and she's of course scripted history as well. Along the way, she's become the first Indian female shooter to win an Olympic medal. That itself, of course, in itself is a big achievement there from Manu Bhaker. She's always been a prodigy. She, of course, in 2017 as well, stunned the former world champion and the world #1, Hina Sidhu, as well as the national shooting championships. And ever since then, a lot was being said about her potential, and she is now slowly realizing it. And in fact, what's more hopeful for India is the fact that she's got a couple of more events left at this Olympics. So there could be more in the kitty as well coming in from Manu Bhaker. We'll, of course, keep getting you more details of that. Meanwhile, my colleague Karishma gets us this report on Manu Bhaker's victory.
Well, yes, absolutely. This has been a big achievement from Manu Bhaker, and this is, of course, going to be, opening India's medal tally as well with this bronze medal. And Manu is very happy. She looks happy. She looks content. She is beaming with pride, holding the Indian flag, and the medal ceremony has also happened. So obviously, a very good performance from Manu Bhaker at this moment.
My colleague Himanshu joins us on the phone line to get us more details on this. Himanshu, we saw the family members of Manu Bhaker there getting all set to celebrate her victory, but I guess they'll have to still wait for a bit because she's got a couple of more events, and that could mean that she probably could have more medals for India lined up at Paris.
Oh, absolutely, Ashish. I mean, what a stunning performance by Manu, isn't it? I mean, it truly made this Sunday a super Sunday for an entire nation. And just as you correctly pointed out, she's actually one of the strongest medal contenders in the 25-meter category as well. In 10-meter air pistol, she was a medal contender from some, but she was in a very tough field with the Koreans and Hungary, the Victoria Major being considered to be the most strongest contenders for the podium finish. But the kind of composure that Manu showed during those final rounds. And as you remember, she was a contender for the silver as well for the first 14 odd rounds. In the tiebreaker, she was a strong contender to win the silver. But having said that, this is a historic achievement. Only the first Indian shooter to win an Olympic medal, first Indian woman to win this medal. She was actually the first to even qualify for the final event in her category. It's actually a spectacular show. And Ashish, as our viewers would know, this is a girl who actually hit rock bottom at the end of previous Olympics in Tokyo, where her weapon failed, malfunctioned, and she got disqualified. Then there were a lot of questions. She had a very public fallout with her coach, Indian shooting legend Jaspal Rana. But then, as luck would have it, and as she herself said in many interviews before going to the Olympics, that she realized that she needs to let go of everything and start from the basics. She patched up with her coach, hit the shooting range, got through the grind, and the result is here for us. Now we are all very hopeful, Ashish, you and I and all our fellow Indians, that in 25 meters she could actually be the first Indian athlete shooter to win multiple medals at the same Olympics. Let's hope for that. But as of now, a truly super Sunday, a great day. The entire nation is euphoric, rejoicing. what Manu has achieved will actually be written in golden letters in annals of Indian Olympic history.
Absolutely. Himanshu, a quick follow-up question there. Like you rightly pointed out, she's just 22 years old and already she's seen the highs and the lows. In fact, reaching the pinnacle of sport, the Olympics, and then missing out just because of a technical issue and then coming back and winning a medal. That in itself is a special achievement. But meanwhile, Himanshu, this is of course also expected to have a cascading effect because until we get that first medal, there are always jitters in the contingent. And now that we have that first medal, we could expect a flurry of medals in other sports as well.
Oh, yes, absolutely, Ashish. And as we have seen in the previous three Olympics, the first medal, and coincidentally, all time, as you had said in one of our earlier discussions, that Nari Shakti, it is India's Nari Shakti which has done the country proud, has opened the tally third time in a row from Rio to Tokyo and now. And once you get through those initial jitters and get onto the medal tally, the first podium finish is actually what opens the gates for the others. Remember, the Indian shooting contingent did not have the best of start. The shooters drew blank in a mixed team event. None of them could even actually qualify for the finals. And then there were a lot of questions being asked. You know, the fear of Tokyo, the deja vu, and that thinking feeling started to come back again. But will we see another round of blank from the same Indian shooters who are always expected to do well? But now, having seen what Manu has done, and as we already seen, Dr. Nikki Jareen is performing brilliantly, and she has gone on to, she's already stormed into the pre-quarters in her category. So we would not be surprised, Ashish, if you actually now see a rich haul in the next couple of days, because now the Indian contingent is confident. They know that they belong at the biggest stage. They have the training. They're all coming from rich vein of form. And yes, it should open up the floodgates, so to speak, and we could expect a battle of medals very soon.
Absolutely, Himanshu. Like you rightly said, we are hoping now this opens the floodgates now, and India, of course, sees a flurry of medals coming in from other sports as well. Appreciate you joining us on the broadcast with all those details. In fact, viewers, this is a historic day for India's shooting contingent as well. The first ever female shooter to win an Olympic medal. And not just that, she is just 22 years old. She has already had a heartbreak at the previous Olympics, and from that to keep the ghosts of Tokyo Olympics to leave them behind and now come out here and win a bronze medal, that goes on to show the resilience and also the composure of Manu Bhaker. And she's got a couple of more events left, which means that there could be more medals in the kitty as well. And we'll of course keep getting you all the details from the Paris Olympics exclusively on Mirror Now, all the live updates as well about other sports are concerned, because again, like they say, ladies first, and rightfully so. We are already seeing a couple of more female athletes as well in the contingent already doing well, and we'll be getting you more details on that. But shifting tracks now.